Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can set up Chromecast, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that, the things that you will need is simply the Chromecast available and ready to plug in your Chromecast. And other thing is that you have to make sure that you have installed your particular Google Home app. Now afterwards, once you have plugged in your Chromecast successfully, open up your Google Home app on your phone and right away tap on this option of devices in the bottom. Once you have done so, tap on this plus icon in the add device and it will simply let you have this option. Simply go ahead, tap on this option of Google Nest or partner device, and now you gotta choose a home if you have it created already. If you haven't, simply set up a home for you. Now once you have done so, choose the one and then you're going to tap on the next option. It will simply start looking your device. Make sure once you have plugged in your Chromecast, it's turned on as well. It's going to looking for a device. Go ahead, tap on it and simply follow the on-screen prompts for you to connect. Once you have provided all of the information and connected it, you can control it by your phone as well, and you are good to go. You have set up your Chromecast successfully and you can use it however you like. So those are the things for you to make sure of. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.